Imagine for a second that you aren't sitting in your room or standing in your kitchen. Imagine you are 600 feet in the air, soaring over a jagged mountain range, the wind screaming past your ears, and the world below looks like a miniature toy set. You feel the G-force as you bank left, the sun catching the edge of your wing. Your heart is hammering against your ribs. But here's the kicker. Your feet are firmly on the ground. You haven't left your backyard. This is the magic of FPV, first-person view drones. For years, this level of immersion was reserved for the elite, the tech-obsessed, and those with very, very deep pockets. If you wanted to become the drone, you had to navigate a minefield of expensive headsets, blurry analog signals, or digital systems that cost more than a used car. But everything you thought you knew about the entry barrier to high-end flight just changed. DJI, the undisputed kings of the drone world, just dropped something that is sending shockwaves through the community. It's called the DJI Goggles N3. And if you think this is just another budget release, you are dead wrong. This is a strategic move that might just make every other headset on your shelf obsolete. Why is everyone talking about the N3? Because for the first time, DJI has looked at the box goggle design, a design often mocked for being bulky and cheap, and they've turned it into a masterclass in engineering. They didn't just make a cheaper version of the Goggles 3. They built something that addresses the biggest complaints of the pro community while making it accessible to the absolute beginner. We are talking about a massive, immersive 1080p screen, a design that actually fits over your glasses without some weird, overpriced adapter, and a price tag that makes you do a double take. In this video, we are going to peel back the layers of this device. We're going to look at why the box design might actually be superior to the high-end slim goggles for many pilots. We're going to talk about the O4 transmission system, the digital heartbeat that keeps your signal crystal clear miles away. And most importantly, we're going to answer the question that's burning a hole in every pilot's mind. Should you save your money and buy the N3, or is it just a clever trap to get you into the DJI ecosystem? Let's start with the feel. When you first pull the DJI Goggles N3 out of the box, you notice something immediately. It's bigger than the Goggles 3 or the Goggles Integra. In the world of tech, bigger usually means older, right? Not here. This is a box goggle. If you're new to the hobby, traditional goggles use two tiny screens and complex lenses to trick your eyes into seeing one image. Box goggles use one large screen and a single Fresnel lens. Historically, box goggles were the budget choice. They were heavy, they leaked light, and they felt like you had a literal brick strapped to your forehead. But look at what DJI did with the N3. They balanced it. The battery isn't dangling off the side or stuffed in your pocket with a messy cable. It's integrated into the headband at the back. This creates a counterbalance. When you put these on, they don't pull your face down. They sit. They feel light. They feel intentional. And then there's the glasses factor. If you wear glasses, you know the struggle. Most FPV goggles are a nightmare for us. You either have to buy custom prescription inserts, which can cost an extra $100, or you have to shove your face into the foam and hope you don't crack your frames. The N3 is a game changer here. Because it's a box design, there is actual space inside. You keep your glasses on. You slide the goggles over. Done. No blurry edges, no diopter adjustments that never quite